Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ken Davis here from Acme Tools. Today we've got some of Metabo's awesome tools with us. We've got their 18-volt cordless mud mixer as well as their 400 and 600 series 18-volt cordless caulking gun. So the first tool that we're going to give you some specs on and run down a little bit is the 18-volt mud mixer. Now they've packed a lot of awesome features into this tool. The first thing I like to start with is just telling you that it's got an electronic soft start in it for the motor, which means that it keeps you from making a mess when you get into the mud. It's 0 to 750 RPM, so it's got a nice variable speed trigger on it for you. And if you take a look at these handles, they're nice and ergonomic, which makes it really easy to control while you're inside the mud. Now, as well as having all those nice features for the motor, they also give it electronic overload protection so you don't wear out the motor by overheating it. The mud mixer attachment does come with this unit, so it's a great tool. We're going to put it to the test today so you can see a little bit of what it can do. So now that we have our motor nice and mixed, I just want to point out a couple awesome features of this tool. You could tell that it was nice and easy to control as I was down in the mud, but you can also notice that it maintains a constant speed under load, which is another awesome feature. And now we're actually going to take the motor, apply it to our makeshift wall behind us here, and then get into the caulking guns. So now that we have our motor in place, we've got our tiles set, we're going to show off the caulking guns a little bit. So here I've got the 400 series and the 600 series guns with me. These are both running off Metabo's 18-volt batteries. There's a lot of awesome features with both these tools. I want to talk about some of the main differences. The first one is that this 400 series tool is going to be meant for your 10-ounce tubes, but it does, however, come with the tube for your standard style caulking tube and your sausage style tubes. And your 600 series is going to be primarily for your 20-ounce tubes in that sausage style. Now, both tools have some awesome features that overlap. First of all, you have perfectly placed variable speed control right here. It's easily accessible with your pinky as you're using the tool. It has a nice release button here for your slide to get your next tube in, and it also has all metal gears with automatic retraction. So as you use the tool, you're holding the trigger and caulking is coming out. When you release the trigger, the gears will actually move your slide back, leaving you with a no drip mess on here. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate the tool for you so you can see how clean and easy it is to use. So we're going to start out on the lowest setting here. You can see it lays a nice consistent bead down. And as we get to the end here, I'll let off the trigger. And you can hear that automatic retraction take place, leaving you with a nice no drip mess. Thanks for watching with us today, guys. I hope we were able to show you that Metabo makes some awesome caulking and mixing products. Click over here to subscribe, and remember, always do your best work.